Now we have for you here this Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI, 95 PS. Now the car is a cracker and it's specced out, and it's got adaptive cruise control with front assist, a multifunction front facing camera, front and rear parking sensors, hill hold control, a dynamic road sign display, alongside these 15-inch Dublin alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot. The boot is a good size, it's spacious, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has heated front seats, 2-zone climate control, and an 8-inch coloured touchscreen. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.